Oh, this is to show you a little bit about Syncovery. Basically, you can see I'm in the browser here right now. I'm just going to go into a website address, and I'll show you all this later, but then you're prompted with a login screen. I'm going to log in there, and you can see that Syncovery basically consists of a bunch of profiles, which you add yourself, or you can edit them. Here's a couple that I've just ran. You can see it ran at 1:13 and 1:14 this afternoon, and it's going to run at 2 o'clock again this afternoon. There's a left path and a right path, so the sort of where you're coming from, where you're going to, that can be reversed. I'll just show you inside this profile a sec. So I'll click on it and edit. And here you can see that there's a left side and a right side. You can name the profile whatever you want, what direction you're going to. Then down below here, there's a myriad of different options. I will be showing you this, but this is basically the scheduling here. There's things like masks, and you can tell it what to include, files to exclude. I didn't exclude anything in this one, but I included. So basically that's all that's getting included in this particular backup. All kinds of things that you can do in here. So there's scheduling and how it handles different errors and how it compares files. You know, you're going to be really picky about the difference in the times between the files and that sort of thing. Going to files and then folders and the job itself. You know, you can execute commands before and after the job. There's masks and filters, what I was showing you here. Safety and special, a few different options there. And I'll be showing you more about this in future videos. Basically, I've got it so that when I run this particular profile, it will automatically, when it's done, run this profile. So basically by running one profile, and that can either be ran unattended or done with a preview, etc., or through scheduling, it will automatically run the next one. So that's just a quick overview. I will be adding more videos. This is just a test for my first video. Thank you.